MR CFD Company, accessible through our website www.mr-cfd.com, is a leading provider of computational fluid dynamics services and training. We proudly serve a diverse clientele, including students, industrial projects, and academic institutes, offering a wide range of tailored solutions to meet their unique needs. With a strong commitment to education, innovation, and expertise, we empower our clients to excel in the field of CFD. We provide an extensive suite of services designed to support CFD applications across various sectors. First, CFD services for students, industry, and institutes. For students, we offer affordable and accessible CFD solutions to support academic projects, theses, and research. Our services help students bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. For industrial projects from aerospace and automotive to energy and HVAC, we deliver customized simulations to optimize designs, enhance efficiency, and address complex fluid dynamics challenges for industrial clients. For academic institutes, we collaborate with institutes on research and development projects, providing advanced CFD tools and expertise to drive innovation and discovery. CFD services for students, industry, and institutes. For students, we offer affordable and accessible CFD solutions to support academic projects, theses, and research. Our services help students bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. For industrial projects from aerospace and automotive to energy and HVAC, we deliver customized simulations to optimize designs, enhance efficiency, and address complex fluid dynamics challenges for industrial clients. For academic institutes, we collaborate with institutes on research and development projects, providing advanced CFD tools and expertise to drive innovation and discovery. CFD simulations often require significant computational power. To address this, we provide access to high-performance computing resources, enabling engineers to run large-scale, complex simulations efficiently without investing in costly hardware. This service makes advanced CFD accessible to a broader audience. For researchers and academics, we offer comprehensive assistance in publishing CFD-related research papers. Our support includes conducting simulations, analyzing data, and preparing manuscripts for submission, helping our clients contribute to scientific literature and advance their academic careers. Education is at the heart of what we do at MR CFD. We offer a robust portfolio of training resources to foster knowledge and skill development in CFD. Our extensive library of more than 1,000 training videos covers a wide range of CFD topics, from foundational principles to advanced simulation techniques. These videos are comprehensive and easy to follow, aligned with industry standards and ideal for students, engineers, and educators at all levels. For those who prefer hands-on learning, we provide in-person training sessions led by our experienced CFD professionals. These workshops focus on practical applications, equipping participants with the skills to use CFD software and methodologies effectively. Our expert consultation service offers personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're troubleshooting a simulation, optimizing a design, or interpreting results, our team of specialists is here to provide actionable insights and solutions. We offer the unique ability to replicate existing CFD simulations. This service is perfect for verifying results, educational purposes, and building upon previous work. It's especially valuable for academic research and industrial validation. Here's what sets us apart as your trusted CFD partner. Expertise. Our team consists of highly qualified engineers and CFD specialists with extensive experience across industries and academic fields. Comprehensive solutions. We provide a one-stop shop for all your CFD needs, from simulations and HPC access to training and publishing support. Accessibility. With affordable options for students, a vast library of training resources, and flexible consultation services, we make CFD approachable for everyone. Global reach. Operating through www.mr-cfd.com, we serve clients worldwide, delivering solutions that meet international standards. Innovation. By leveraging the latest CFD tools and technologies, including HPC, we ensure our clients achieve cutting-edge results. We frequently provide special packages that combine services like training, consultation, and simulations at a discounted rate. These offers are especially beneficial for students and small-scale projects, ensuring you get maximum value from our expertise. At MR CFD Company, we are dedicated to advancing the field of computational fluid dynamics through our exceptional services and educational resources. Whether you're a student taking your first steps in CFD, an engineer tackling an industrial challenge, or a researcher aiming to publish groundbreaking work, we have the tools, knowledge, and support to help you succeed. Visit us at www.mr-cfd.com to explore our offerings and discover how MR CFD can elevate your projects to new heights.